Great John on the beat, by the way.
Hold on. Tiptoe, pockets so fat like a hippo. I turn white to a widow. Bro just got blood on his new coat. Damn, hold on, fuck it. I gave her dick and she love it. Asked that bitch what she wants, she said nothing. Brooklyn bag on her back and she frontin'. Brooklyn bag in her back and she cap a lot. I do drugs, I trap a lot. Bad bitch, fat ass and she laugh a lot. She be in the club, shake ass a lot. Don't send her addy cause we got the drop. Came from the bottom, now we at the top. Whoa, what? I put my thumb in the I just been running it up, but I'm like a stitch in the cut. Yeah, bro got a pound in the runch, and we smoking, not bagging it up. Yeah, whoa. She stepped in the room with no clothes, told her lean back, Fat Joe. My body different, I can take your soul. Only two ways this could go. You know, I like fast cars, nice clothes. Oh no, my heart so cold. Don't love me, let me go. Hold on, step up. Jump in that water, get wet up. I like her best friend better. Might let her talk my Beretta. I know that you much thirsty, you never let up. I'm too hot, dog, better catch up. Hold on. I'm too hot, dog, better catch up. Pull up, pop out. Dog got my clock, you get knocked out. Ride through the block with the top down. I'ma clean them up, I brought the mop out. Hey, wait. Say they love me, but I'm tryna see how. Free my gang, got them up in the dog pound. Ran it up, ain't no putting my dogs down.
What? Ran it up, ain't throwing my dogs down. Hey, ran it up, ain't no putting my dogs down. Hold on. Work on this shit. Sorry, Roger. Let's do this shit again. Bow.
They know I'm too fat to tiptoe. I can help you, the rest ain't no pillow. Make me search for your house, this ain't Zillow. Bullet sick from the Smith, ain't no Willow. Hold on, wait. Did they just, what? Did they turn the beat off in this bitch? Spit that heat, see the steam off in this bitch? Stay with Bloom, not the cleaning type of shit? Wait, cause I'm feeling myself like I'm about to beat off. No homo, my Glock got a dick and I walk with a limp like I'm deformed. So these niggas too bomb. That's a C4. Bring pressure to those who oppose one of us. I got them big packs on me, no bodybuilder. Straps all around like a dyke is with us. Baby so fine, guess that's how I build her. No domestic violence, but I gotta hit her. I got too much sauce on the ass. I was the class clown, used to laugh.
Wait, who them niggas right there?
They tryna jump me, I call bro. If he don't got it, then his gang is so. They tryna jump me, I call bro. He don't got it, then his gang is so. He don't got it, then his gang is so.
G-Lane Ski Gym 17 exclusive.